Today we'll be installing your Blindsgalore Signature Wood Blinds. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also, confirm your blinds fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Your first installation step is to mark the drill sites for the brackets. These ones will be mounted to the side. Drill the marked points and screw in the brackets. Next, ensure the bracket tabs are open and slide in the headrail. Once the blinds are installed, push the tabs closed until they click into place. Attach the tilt wand to the blinds. For valance installation, slide the magnetic hooks into the valance track. Then attach the valance onto the headrail. We recommend testing your blinds by raising and lowering. Make sure to also test your tilt wand by rotating the slats open and closed. Our Blindsgalore Signature Wood Blinds are available in a wide range of paints and stains. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.